Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to be going through Chapter 16, Exercise 9, IPO valuation. Basically, it's a small private company is contemplating an initial public offering in which they will sell 40,000 shares of stock. That's up here. And the price of the stock at the IPO is uncertain. The following distribution price is here. And the probability of those prices are there. In each of the next 5 years, there is a 30% chance that the company will fail. If it does not fail, here's the 30% chance up here. If it does not fail, its stock value will increase by an amount given by a normal distribution with mean of 1.5% and standard deviation of 0.5%. And then what we have to answer is what is the mean value of the stock at the end of 5 years, assuming the company does not fail? That's right down here. And then part B is what is the probability the company will still be in existence after 5 years? And here's our 5 years. So we're going to start off here with the initial IPO. And that's going to be basically the shares and the probability of that times the psi discrete, because this is a custom one. And then we have our values here and our probability of those values here. And then there starts our model. Now what we're going to be doing here, again, it says log normal distribution. So rather than typing it in, we'll just use the risk solver distributions, and then we're going to go down here to common log normal. And once we have log normal, we're going to adjust this information. The mean here is given to us 1.5%, and the standard deviation was given to us. That's at 0.5%. Okay, now everything's broken out for us. We're going to save that, and what we're going to do is going to come up here and essentially last year's, the years prior shares times the psi normal or psi log normal, and then we'll put 1 plus, get greater than 1, and then we will extrapolate this and make those permanent, and then we'll take care of those out for the 5 years. Now what we're going to do here is going to make this one of our output cells, and that's there, and then we're going to do the same, just the output in the reference cell here, the mean model. So coming down here, we have to answer the question now, will it fold? 1 being yes, 0 being no. Since we have this, we're going to be using a different type of distribution, and we're going to go down to discrete and then Bernoulli. And this is Bernoulli's discrete distribution that it takes a value of 1 with success and 0 with failure. So in this case, 1 success would actually be failure. But what we're going to do is we're going to edit this out. The probability of it folding, so yes, it would fold. That was given to us again earlier. So we're going to edit this, 30%. Okay. And then we're going to save that. And again, we're going to make this cell permanent for all the each year. It's going to be 30%. And extrapolate that out. Now the question is, every year is it still going to be running? And so we have the question here, still going to be running, and we're going to make that equal to basically 1 minus this cell here. And then this cell will change. Obviously we have to reference the previous year, so that's not what we want to do. Make this again equal to 1 minus this, and this is going to be equal to that times 1 minus, or I think we get this backwards. There, 1 minus parentheses relative. And again, the same as last time, we're going to make the last cell our results output cell. So output there. And then again, distribution, output, referred cell right there. And now what we're going to be doing is basically all these simulations. This is what we were just adding. We added uncertain variables and our uncertain functions below that. So we're going to figure out the mean value of each, and then we're going to have to run the simulation of the model for that. So would you like to run a simulation now? Yes, of course. And then here it goes. I've already kind of adjusted these so that you can see them. Here with the markers, the mean is labeled on there for you. Now we'll need to copy this, and just for demonstration's sake, paste it in. And we'll enter in our answer here of 530,015. And then we're going to do the same run simulation for our other question of part B here, probability that the company will be alive in 5 years. So we'll go up here, run the simulation, yes, and right here we have it. I've already again gone in here with the markers, set up the mean. But yeah, 17.5% chance that the company will be alive in 5 years. So again, copy, paste. And we'll just enter this in here with the 0.175 or 17.5%. I already edited, formatted that previously. But that concludes the Chapter 16, Exercise 9. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me a message or an email. Other than that, good luck in your finals and enjoy graduation and summer break.